Alright, hey guys, good morning. Good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Mark, aka CramFX, and my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel, okay guys? We're not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Okay, so if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But of course, if you're looking to trade these markets and if you're looking to trade them the right way, then stick around because that's exactly what we're going to do. Okay, also before I continue with the disclaimers, guys, that is Nasdaq. I understand it's late, don't worry, don't be stressing about it. We'll catch the moves as and when they want to come. Okay, let's just watch this area now and let's see close of the market open what wants to happen. Okay, but they are breaking so far. It would have been the perfect move had I started this session slightly earlier, but it's okay, we'll catch it. Okay, and also, all of that being said, we are not financial advisors. Okay, any trades that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. You'll need to realize that everything has to do with your risk and money management. Okay, if you over leverage your accounts, you're not going to make any money. If you under leverage your accounts, you're not going to make any money. You've got to find the right balance and learn risk management, learn to use risk management with structure. Okay, guys? Great. Give me a second. Let me just put on a message onto the general chat. Okay, cool. Message has gone through. Let's wait and watch, you guys. All right. In all honesty, I don't know how many of y'all attended London today with the lovely, the brilliant, the gorgeous Cash FX. Um, she absolutely nailed it. Okay. We got some crazy moves. I am done trading for the day, but I'm here for you guys. I literally told people on London that, guys, I'm not going to be trading New York today, but I'm going to be doing this session for y'all. And I'm just going to be analyzing these markets more today and not really taking too many trades as such. Okay, sorry, a couple of adjustments. Okay, this is gold, by the way. A little bit of an impulse on gold. Let's watch the break of this region for a potential buy that may kick in over here. We've created some lower lows, as you guys can see. Steep uptrend. What are we looking to do? We'll steep downtrend, my bad. What are we looking to do? We're looking to break possibly that, get a nice little retest over here. So it could possibly do something with a nice retest in this region and a push back to the upside. Okay, so we've got to see how that wants to play out. And of course, if the sells want to kick in, we're looking at the break of this region. Excuse me, guys. Break of this. Not too much historical data on the left, none actually, not in the recent past. So maybe a small TP, okay, at 1906-ish. Let's see, but that is your impulse as of right now, okay? Yes, I know in the chat you guys are gonna say I have done DAX. I know that. I thought we'll switch things up a little, and I thought we'll see what exactly DAX has to offer for us today, okay? Do you all want US 30 as well, guys? Do you all want me to maybe do a quick top down on the dirty? Or are you guys good with DAX and Nasdaq? Okay, let me mute you guys real quick. Dirty, dirty. Okay, we have a lot of people that want me to do the dirty as well. Okay, cool. Let me just mark up DAX for y'all. We'll have the buys there for DAX. Okay, and watch for this potential maybe retest of our zone of supply. Okay, and don't worry, my dirty traders, you guys. I have got you guys, and I will do dirty for you. Please mark the stop loss too, bro. Bro, it's simple. I don't like my charts cluttered, and the previous zone is your stop loss. If you're getting in on this buy, that's your stop loss. If you're getting in on this buy, this is your stop loss. If you're getting in on this sell, that's your stop loss. But your stop loss also depends on your risk management. Okay, that's not something that I can answer for you guys. Okay, cool. Let's go with the dirty. Okay, for the ones that keep messaging me and asking me, how do you draw the lines? How do you draw the lines? Well, I'm gonna do it live for you guys now. Okay, let's switch over to the daily time frame. Okay, as y'all can see, this is from last week. Nice and bearish, good rejection, and bearish. Let's see. Okay, so we've got our daily high sitting right there. Some structure that we're coming into there, so let's go ahead and mark that up. That's our daily resistance, daily support. Let's switch over to the 4H. Okay, this level of support is still nice. I'm gonna move this guy all the way up there. Let's catch that. Okay, switch over to the RD, bring this down, take that up, new level of RD resistance here, switch over to the 15s. Okay, looks good, checking out nicely. Cool. I don't see any levels that we need on the 15th, so I'm going to switch over to the 5s. Okay, I'm going to adjust this to this region, and let's catch a new level there. Okay, where do we have demand? Supply, my bad, in this region, and we're coming into some demand as we speak. Okay, if you look to the left. Okay, so that's the dirty for you guys. What could possibly happen? We are oversold currently. We've got to see if we're going to pick up some buyers from here. If we do pick up buyers, we could be looking at long positions that come in and around this region, zone to zone to zone. Okay, now for the people asking where should my stop loss be, bro, simple, there. Okay, and if the cells want to come in, let's look to maybe, just maybe catch that. Okay, sorry guys, I don't like it when these charts are unorganized, so give me a second. I promise I don't have OCD. Okay, and okay, cool. Okay, that's bothering me a little bit. Wait, perfect. Okay, now we're good, we're good. Okay, so let's see what and how these want to play. Okay, there is actually, there's a nicer level up here. Okay, but we can start to enter it over here as well, just because I am seeing some back and forth rubber band movement over here. Okay, cool. And as you can see, they're picking back up now. Did gold do something? Not really. Gold's just having a little bit of a retest. Where can we retest to? We can retest here. We can retest all the way here as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fix this up pre-market open. Okay, and now we have everything. Where will the buys come in for this? The buys are going to be in that region. Please don't ask me where your stop loss needs to be. Okay. And re-entries down here, yes, of course, if they do want to come back down, but it seems like they might start to pick up some buyers. DAX is making a beautiful something, one-on-ones. Let's get it in the chat. I'm sorry, I didn't really look at the chat at all today, guys. Dirty. Hi, Emily. What's up, Keon? Stop loss. Good morning, space. My man, 70 to people. Yes, sir. Let's do it. We're not checking gold today. I do have gold up, brother. My teacher must be badass. First time ever my top down on DAX was the same as my teacher's. Lovely, Neha. So happy for you. Shelby, what's up, my man? Cash has been missing you for London. She keeps calling you out. Nas will touch 15 minutes and push down again, right? Possible. Possible, bro. Can't really say. Okay, let's wait for the open and we'll see how it works. Double bottom, awesome. Alright, guys. And of course, listen, this can be too good to be true. And if that's the case and they want a short DAX, we're going to be looking at that sexy zone to get any sort of potential moves. Okay, cool. So nothing's playing out as yet. We've got about 2 more minutes. Guys, give me a second. I'm going to fix this up. So what I am going to do is I'm going to get DAX over here. Okay, that's odd. Sorry guys, what I was trying to do was get Nasdaq and US30 together and DAX and gold together, but it is what it is. And we've got these in front of us, okay? Okay, is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Guys, anyone in any trades? You are working really hard for people. Lots of love. Right Way Trading on YouTube. Thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate that. We're currently a very small and a very private community, but I promise you in the next couple of months you'll be seeing us everywhere. All right. Thank you so much for for those kind words. And listen, you don't need to be on YouTube. All right, brother. Or sister. All right. Go ahead and click in the description and join our Discord server for absolutely free. You don't need to watch us on YouTube. You can hop on to the Zoom call, which is happening simultaneously, and you won't experience the lag that there is on YouTube, okay? Cool. Wait game. All right, 40 seconds to go. Waiting for US30. Guys, like I said, I'm gonna be trading really small today. I've already made my pips on London with cash. Okay, I'm going to be trading really small, not looking for anything crazy. Let's take a look at the RSI. Nice. Okay. You know what? I'm in the mood for maybe some Goldie, alright? Let's see if gold wants to give us any sort of moves. Okay, this is market open in the next 5 seconds, you guys. Let's have a good one. I have an order in this region for gold. Okay, impulse, push on the dirty. Alright, DAX doing nothing. Nasdaq trying to break the lows. Let's see, you guys. Let's wait and watch, okay? I'm not in on anything right now. Okay. Alright, so watch for that. You did have the push, the break, the retest, the rejection, and the push. But listen, if you're not comfortable, you don't need to get in now, because I do think we could come back down and pick up buys from this demand zone. Alright, so I do feel like that is a possibility. Please be careful of that. If you're in on anything, it should be a small position as of right now. Okay, same with gold. Excuse me. Same with gold. You want gold to pick up buyers from here. Alright, Nasdaq breaks these lows and we're pushing down. Anyone in on Nasdaq? Okay, there you go. We're trying to hit TP, and I told you guys before the before market open that you could have a re-entry on this move as well if we do break those lows. Okay. All right, I bought gold, small position at this rejection, you guys. Small position, nothing too big. Okay, I'm triggered in somewhere over here. It's just $5 a pip, and I'm gonna have a really tight stop loss right below the zone of demand that we've identified over here. Okay. Come on, let's go. Okay, I'm making some money on gold. running by about 15 pips on gold. I'm triggered. I'm gonna put this on break even, alright, guys? There you go. Goldie's doing it. Guys, I'm changing this to break even. Give me real quick. Okay, I'm gonna break even trade, you guys. Break even trade. Let's see how this wants to play out. Okay, my position up here hasn't been triggered, so let's wait and see how we want to get these highs. And I'm looking at round about this region, super close to getting triggered, but I did. And this position is now currently running on break even. Small position, $5 a pip. Okay. No one explains better than you and Cash, ma'am. Thank you so much, Harsh. Thank you. Such a sweet thing. Okay, look at that. We pick up buyers on Nasdaq. Okay. Let the candles close, you guys. DAX may give it to us, okay? I want to see how DAX closes. There you go. Guys, don't think DAX can't give you all the move for New York, okay? That's absolute BS. It very well can. Watch for it to close, okay? DAX made me some good money today for London. All right, who caught this? I told you guys that we are most likely... Watch out. That we are most likely going to try and attempt to fill this, and as you can see, the retest happened. We didn't fill it, but this is still the move. All right, this is a break, a retest, a rejection, and we're pushing. US 30 was the move today. Barely, bro, barely. How many pips is that? 35. Okay, we can't complain. All right, watch out for DAX as well. If you're not comfortable right now, wait for the entry exit strategy to play out. Okay, wait for a candle to close, have a retest. The cleaner the retest, the more confident you should be. Nasdaq is just indecision right now. Oof. Anyone in on DAX? Bani, Neha? Anyone at all trading DAX right now? JJ, come on, where's the London fam at? There you go, DAX is pushing. Okay. Let's get it. Let's hit TP on DAX. Yes, I'm in on DAX. Kyle as well. I see all my London, well, Cash's London Forex traders hopping on to DAX right now. It's beautiful. Okay, liquidate. Be happy. This is clean. Clean, all right? And so is US 30. Anyone in on the dirty right now? Come on, you guys. Clean moves. And boom. That's TP1, first zone on DAX. It's about a 25 pip zone, all right? 25 pips. Sexy move. Take your profits and get out. Okay, gold again. Just pure indecision. And now this is the first candle close. Guys, please be careful. Anyone making money on US 30, if y'all are, please be careful. Liquidate. Okay. Come on, DAX. Respect that, DAX. Okay, where could DAX retest to? This region. I feel like this is a nice little retest region for DAX. In on DAX. Awesome, Bronny. Okay, no retest. Maybe they want to come down. I keep talking about the trampoline effect, guys. You all know that. I talk about it so much. Trampoline effect, trampoline. What do I mean by that? Listen, it's simple. If you're on a trampoline, the more you push your body weight down to the ground, the higher you'll plunge up to the sky, right? So in order to get that good plunge, a healthy retest, for me personally, is something that I look for, okay? So let's see. But this is a big fat freaking candle, okay? Retest zone number 1, retest zone number 2, okay? And if we start to break this level and push back down, say bye to this trade, and you should have hoped that you liquidated your positions. Okay, but as you can see, we are retesting that as of now. Gold. Okay, so I'm triggered in on gold, guys. I'm triggered in on gold with my bigger position, which I told you all was going to be up there. I'm going to have a really tight stop loss on this because I'm not liking gold right now, so I don't want to risk any more than 10, 12 pips. Okay, give me a second. TP for gold, Al Pacino. I like the name. I love the name. Right there, brother. Right there. You're gonna give me an offer that I Can't resist. All right, and US 30. US 30 going to hit TP. Boom. Let's get that. Clean. All right, so DAX rejection. Let's see. We just need a little bit of momentum. All right, a little bit of momentum, and we're going to hit that. Come on, DAX. Give it to us. What a day, you guys. Clean freaking day. I love it. I love it, man. Clean day. Both London, New York. The moves are really starting to come in. And I have been telling you all for the past couple of weeks, especially you people on the... Fuck me, look at gold. Sorry, guys. Getting a little excited with gold. But we are pushing up on gold. Come on, let's get it. But I've been telling you guys for the past couple of weeks, all right? Now, up until December, is going to be the best time for us to be trading these markets. Yes, it was a little slower this year to get started, but we're here now, and you all can see the markets are starting to become really, really clean. And clean markets are good markets. All right, guys, I'm in on gold. I'm going to switch this up to break even, okay? Just so that I've made my money for the day. I really don't want to be taking any sort of L's, okay? I'm good. Okay, break even trade. Let's see, you guys. Come on, DAX. Let's do it. Let's get the Yalla Habibis in the chat. Let's do it, DAX. Maybe gold is making an inverse head and shoulders. Yes, but in order to make that, we do have to fill that zone, which is TP for us. Guys, I'm in two minds. My position's not very big right now, but I do feel like I want to hold till this region. It's not too many pips. It's about 12, 13 pips. So I think I'm just going to hold it. It is what it is, you know. $30 on gold. Damn, man. Too good, too good. Cheers, brother. Good. You know, all of y'all keep saying too good, and then no one freaking posts up on success stories, okay? We've been doing this for a whole year, okay? Literally. We've been doing this for a whole year. For absolutely free. We have grown this community. Cash, myself, Millzone, Yano, we have worked tirelessly towards making this possible, okay? We only ask you guys for success stories on our server, and a lot of you don't even do that for us, okay? But go ahead, do not be ungrateful, do not take us for granted, excuse me, and post up on success stories. I'm not really active on Twitter, X, whatever it is. I'm really not active on any sort of social media. I saw that a lot of you guys have sent me follow requests on Instagram as well, but to be honest, I just don't use Instagram, and I'm just not a very social media kind of guy, so please forgive me if I haven't accepted it. I will soon though, whenever I start using Instagram again. All of my Forex people that have sent me a follow request on my personal account, I not only will accept y'all, but I will also follow y'all back, okay? So just detoxifying myself off of all of that, okay? Gold fucked up, yes it did, and I got stopped out. All right, now I'm pushing back down, okay? Again, if you would have used the entry exit strategy, you have a nice little not worth it 9 pip move. I know I wouldn't have liquidated in 9 pips. I would have just set this on to break even. BE on gold waked out. Yep. Okay, Nasdaq trying to hit TP. DAX, we don't have the volume, but they are trying to hit TP as well. Anyone in on Nasdaq, you guys? Anyone in on Nasdaq? We hit TP. Beautiful move on Nasdaq. If entry closes on DAX, entry should be past the higher high. Yes. Yes. Here, to be safe, JJ, look at that zone as well. Nice zone there too. Okay, TP on DAX, on Nasdaq. Who got that? I want to see W's in the chat. Ugh, they're still freaking holding this, you guys. I'm not getting in on gold again. Legit, I mean it. Let the move happen. I'm good. I took a very tiny L on this, but it still doesn't matter because I made my pips for London, and I made more than my pips for London. Small L, about $350, but it is what it is, and that's my lesson for the day. I'm not getting in on any more trades. W on DAX, cheers, my man. Cram, what was the initial investment you started trading with? That's a tough question to answer, man, because my first 2 years trading these markets, I was the definition of the retail, literally definition of the retail. I was just losing money, and when I started trading, the prop firms, yes, FTMO was there, but it wasn't really as big as it is now, and that was a concept that I got introduced to a lot later. But I literally started with like $100, less, you know, um, $50, whatever it is. But start with what you know you can lose to afford to begin with, because trust me, guys, there's no easy way to trade these markets. I'm not going to sit here and just because we run a business, I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys that this is achievable for each and every one. It isn't. It is achievable, absolutely, but you really need to put in the time, the work, and the effort. And I'm going to sit here and tell you something that no other trading group is going to tell you. Signals don't work. Okay? Signals, absolutely. I'm looking right into the camera and saying this now. Signals do not work. What could be a signal could work for the person that's giving it. It could work for X person. It could work for Y person. But it's not going to work for Z person. It's not going to work for everyone. What you'll need to be doing is you'll need to understand price action, understand what we do, use your already existing analysis, combine that with our analysis, and find the best entry point for you. What we give you guys over here is education. We give you guys our analysis, the work that we've put in for the past years, the education that we have received in the past 8 years in these markets. Okay, so please don't be chasing signals. Don't be chasing the shortcut. Learn, learn, and learn, and that's how you'll get better. I was having a great one-on-one session this morning, and I literally told them that even 50 years later, I'm still going to be a student of this game. 15 years later, I'm still going to be getting better at what I do. It's one of those things. You can never know everything, and you've just got to keep at it to see yourself getting better. Don't look for the easy way out. Absolutely. Need to go sign for one-on-one. Cheers, Bronny. Looking forward to them, brother. Okay, gold's trying again. Bro, do you do crypto also? I don't. But if I wanted to, can I? Absolutely. What we do is known as price action. What is price action? It's reading the language of these candles. So as long as it's a chart and there are candles on it, you can apply price action. Okay? Doesn't matter if it's stocks, doesn't matter if it's crypto, doesn't matter if it's forex, doesn't matter if it's the freaking NFT graphs, for all I care. As long as there are candles and there's historical data to go with it, you'll be able to trade price action. Okay, expect some buyers to come in somewhere in this region for the dirty gold. No volume right now, you guys. Look at NASDAQ, man. I want to see W's. How many of y'all caught W's for anything? DAX still running. I didn't see that, sorry, but DAX went up and we almost hit TP on DAX. I'm going to bring this down here. Nice solid move. It's a 41 pip move on DAX, guys. Are we complaining doing DAX for New York? Absolutely not. Okay, I'm out of gold, staying away from this. I'm good, you guys. I'm done. Solid day. Again, I didn't take any sort of real trades for New York because I had a banger of a London session with Cash. Listen, wake up and attend her sessions. I'm not even kidding. That woman is an absolute beast in these markets. An absolute beast. Yes, I have taught her everything she knows about these markets, but she's also her own trader. She's also does her own thing, and believe it or not, it's almost like she's got her way of looking at the markets, I've got my way of looking at the markets, and then when we mix those up, it becomes Cram and Cash. It becomes us, and that's how we're able to produce all of this for you guys. So please do not miss on her sessions. If y'all can, hop onto it. Ask the people that joined. We had about 60 to 70 people on her session this morning as well. And ask the people that trade London. She absolutely fucking nails these sessions. Okay, you guys, make sure to join up, support us. All right. Okay, W Nasdaq, my love, made 0.5 and DAX total 1.5 for the day. JJ, that sounds good, brother. That looks good. That looks good, guys. I tried out price action for NFTs too. I remember this, man. This was back in the day, right, Space? When you just started off. What will be the sell zone for US 30? There. What's marked up? This zone. Okay, we'll look for more buys though. We could come down all the way here to make a double bottom if you're going to be an aggressive scalper like a lot of us on this group. Then you have a 60 pip scalp down here as well, okay? Because that'll be the completion of this double bottom. So you don't need to only trade the breaker structure, you can also trade within your structure. London is a brilliant session, especially if you want to learn. Agreed. Bro, I did not receive any info about the 1-1s from last week. You're Ravi, right? I did message you. I think Cash did message you. Please check your Discord messages. I don't know, what is it? Filtered messages or I don't know, wherever you have to accept it, because maybe you're not friends on Discord with us, but check your filtered messages. You have all the information. As soon as we get the entry bar, should enter. No. That's an impulse entry. You want the candle to close. You want the candle to have a potential retest, a rejection, and a break. This and this are your entry points. You got a course for these markings, bro. COD Gamer. Yes, we do have the one-on-one mentorship program. We have very few slots left, and there is an 8 to 10 week wait time because we're booked all the way up until December. We're booked for the year. But yes, do me a thing. We'll send you the information. Go ahead onto general chat and just say hi. I want info about the one-on-ones, and Cash FX will DM you with all of the information that you need. Okay? Or just send me your Discord ID over here and I'll get it taken care of. Then I found out about you and Ditch Dashy. I know, man. Space, my man. He was big in the NFTs. I introduced him to Forex, and now we're here. I love it. I love it. First time joining the session. We'll try out the morning session tomorrow. Awesome, Ahmed. Welcome. What is gold doing? Gold's being choppy. This is what we call a choppy market. Okay, chop chop, and it's a market that we like to stay away from. Thank you for the spot on analysis. Cram made 3% today, but on demo. Awesome, Jay. Lovely to hear, brother. Looking forward to learning. Cheers. Spaces Demi. Oh, bye. So you gave NFT signal. Alright, Cram. I trust you, bro. Please train me as hard as you can. I'm ready to put in the work. See you on Saturday, buddy. Awesome, bro. For sure. For sure. 100%, man. Bro, can anyone tell me as soon as the market hits the entry we have to enter? I just told you what we have to do. My Discord is okay. Cool. I will get Cash to message you. If you could please just send a hi on if you could send a hi on the general chat, that would be a lot easier for us, but nonetheless. How long did it take you to get profitable, and what was the roadmap? Took me about 2.5 years before I made my first dollar in any sort of market, trading wise, and this wasn't purely Forex. I was doing some crypto, I was doing stocks, and I just lost a lot of money first 2.5 years. But then I really dug deep and faced my demons, realized that the worst has already happened, and just the kind of person I am, I'm eager to learn, especially learn things that I enjoy doing. So yeah, it took me some time, but as you can see, definitely worth the wave. Emily, go ahead, please. Of course, Emily. I just love the way you trade these sessions. Just mark the support and resistance and just enter. Yes, Royal Sahu, that's all we do. We're price action traders. And as you would have seen, we're not indicator heavy. We don't use any sort of indicators. Of course, we look at the RSI and the EMAs once in a while, but the 5 big factors of our trading style are the simplest. Okay, I'm going to name them for you right now. Support, resistance, supply, demand, and breaker structure. When I say breaker structure, I don't just mean the continuation breaker structure, I mean the retracement breaker structure. That's what makes us different from the retail traders. What do I mean by that? The retail sees a bullish trend reversal pattern that they've seen on YouTube, maybe a double bottom, and they hit buy. We don't do that. We look at that same set double bottom to identify our structure from where we find our entry points for irrespective of whether the move is a buy or a sell. So we're ready. We're not trading just a bullish pattern to go bullish. We're trading a bullish and a bearish pattern to go both bullish and bearish. We just keep reading the language of these candles. We keep adapting to these markets, and as you all can see, we have our zones marked out. Do you still do stocks? A little bit. I mean, I don't need to anymore. And I have realized I don't have, I mean, as bad as this sounds, maybe it'll change as I get a little more mature in life, possibly, but I don't really have the investor mentality. I love the adrenaline rush. I love knowing that I can work for 30 minutes in these markets and just get done, you know, so I enjoy scalping, and scalping's a lot of fun on Forex. What is your one-on-one session price? Again, Royal Sahu, if you go ahead and say hi on the general chat right now, I'll ask Cash to send you the details post this session. They're very nominally priced. Okay, they're very nominally priced. Again, a lot of people have told me that you should be charging a lot more for these, but someone that I respect a lot once told me that never do anything for free. Okay, so it's the time that we have put in the past 8 years for this, and it's because we just give you guys what y'all need on it. You know, we don't give y'all any of the jargon, no trading mumbo jumbo, just what we use in our day-to-day trading, which is the simplest form of trading. You know what I mean? So yes, it's very nominally charged. Message us, we'll send across all of the information that you need. How's FTMO treating you? It's just fine. I have no issues. And I'm trading a prop firm account after quite some time, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie, because poor Cash. I feel so bad, but MFF basically screwed us over, you know, just like they've screwed all of y'all over as well. And I've been only handling my retails for the past close to a year now, but I'm back enjoying the move. Okay, I'm gonna mute YouTube for this. Give me a second. Yep, so with the fundeds, we picked it up. We picked a nice chunky account, and I've been on it from Thursday. About to clear phase 1, due to clear phase 1 tomorrow, and we take it from there. All right, but quick 3-4 days, nice turnover. So I aim to switch over and have this and make this account funded by hopefully next week. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Okay. All right, back on YouTube. Sorry, YouTube was talking to our private members. You have your own real account, or are you a funded trader? We're both, buddy. We're both. We have our retail accounts as well, and we use prop firm accounts as well. We used to use an accelerated account with MFF whilst they were still in the picture. Value for money is unbelievable. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Because most of us are going for prop firm. Yes, I have 180 people on the one-on-one mentorship program with me. Out of them, I think a good 150 are prop firm traders. So yes, prop firms are the way to go. Is definitely the way to go. But you guys need to realize that it's don't get attracted to the numbers. Is what I'm trying to say. You know, those numbers are exciting. It's designed to be that way. It's designed for the retail to think exactly that. 1 second, I think I missed Emily's question. Did I? Sorry, Emily, your question got pushed. I entered a trade and I lost legit 5 pips on top of spreads because they opened my trade after 12.5 seconds. At this point, should I switch prop firm or try to get funded on this and then move on? I know, you told me. That isn't good. Okay, that isn't good at all. I wouldn't say switch right away, because the truth is it is an account that you're using. If you know that it's not going to do you any good, just continue to trade it. It's fine, but you wouldn't want to get used to that, Emily, because that's really gonna it's going to be detrimental to your trading, and it's not going to be fun to trade anymore. You'll be freaking out more than getting in confidently, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so use it for now, see how things go. There's no rush, and switch over eventually. Okay. That's very strange. People never complain. Actually, one of the strong points was the execution. Okay. I really appreciate your support. Thank you. You're most welcome. Are most welcome, bro. Ravi, right? Value for money is unbelievable. Thank you, Kyle. Because most of us, but from one-on-one is a bargain in the business. Plus, you get Cram Sensei. Thank you so much, Deep Mind, my man. Always appreciate you. You are the sweetest. Funded Next is far better as it is a UAE based prop firm. Guys, listen, Funded Next is legit, okay? Don't think they're scammy. They are legit. It's I know people that use it personally, but for me, I've used FTMO earlier. I mean, FTMO has been in the game for quite some time, and before we had an MFF account, we were funded with FTMO. So I trust them. It is what it is. And it just works out well for my situation. It may not for you guys, especially for the Indian traders on here, the ones that trade from India, the ones that have your bank accounts in India, y'all won't be able to trade FTMO. Okay, so for y'all, the Funded Next is a good option. FTMO spreads are really nice, surprisingly nice. So I actually clarified that with Space, my man, a prodigy at Forex Trading over here. He switched over to FTMO, and he told me that the spreads are good. I hopped on. It's lovely. Nothing more than 1-2 pips. How much time does it take you to make 5% on your account? It depends on my mood, bro. If I want to be aggressive, I can get it done in a day, 2 days. If I want to, if the markets are good, and if the markets are moving the way that I like, I wouldn't mind spreading it out over even a week. But that's usually our target. I aim for about anywhere between 0.5% to 1% per day, and I deploy techniques in these markets like trading stop losses and taking out partials and layering my positions to make more than my 1:1. So if I end up risking 0.5%, I definitely pull out 0.5%, but I usually try to make 1 to 1.5% on that set trade. So even if I hit a 5% target per day, that's 2.5% in a week, 10% in a month. Even if the worst trader has 5, 7, 8 bad days out of those 20 days, you'll still end up at 5, 7% in a month. Okay, so with conservative risk management, you can achieve the 5 to 8% mark in 1 month, no problem. Okay. No updates on MFFs yet, no guys. Yes. It's gonna keep getting rescheduled. Trust me. It's not happening. Okay, it's not gonna happen. We don't predict these markets, Hari Krishna Shankar. Like I said, we're price action traders. Okay, we're ready for buys and sells. We are not going to sit here and say that gold's going to go up or gold's going to go down. We're going to watch if gold is going up or down, and then we're going to capitalize on that. To scalp these markets, an ideal spread is nothing more than 3 pips. Nothing more than 3 pips. All right, 1, 2 pips, perfect. Anything more than 3 pips is a little bit of a dicey situation, especially if you're going to be scalping these markets the way we do. Yeah, I agree, Space. You cannot trade news on FTMO, no. Alright guys, cool. That was a lot of questions for today. I'm glad you guys got to it. Zoom, stick on the call. We'll do a closing analysis. I'm just gonna get off of YouTube. All right, YouTube guys, thank you so much. Whoever's still there, go into the description. Make sure to click on the link and join our free Discord server. Okay, like I keep saying, we're building an army of millionaires. If you guys want to join, now is the time. It is free. Hop on, jump on the Zoom call that's simultaneously happening. We have a beautiful community that helps each other, and we're talking trades, we're talking questions, we're just getting it all done in real time over there. Okay, so hop on, and I will see you guys for New York tomorrow. My lovely wife Cash FX is going to do the London Open for y'all. Don't miss that session. Catch us there. All right, thank you, YouTube. Signing out. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Take it easy, YouTube. Bye. Okay, YouTube's out of the picture. Good day. Good day. I was really confident on the gold move, guys. I'm not gonna lie, which is why I even got in. I still think the gold move is gonna happen. Okay, I really still do think that's gonna be the case, but it's just we are basically just distributing orders right now. Right, everything is just we just need momentum to break that fucking 50, man. You know, when we start to push up, get into our buys, break these highs, trust me, we're gonna hit this TP in a blink of an eye, and we're also gonna hit our supply zone. But it's just we don't have the volume for that to kick in. Okay, but now we just had the new Ali swap. Maybe we'll see if any sort of volume wants to kick in on gold. Distribution again currently going on over here as well on the US 30, but good move. We caught it, did what we had to. Again, quick scalp down here. All right, and that's not a bad move. All right, 40 pips, don't complain. Okay, and of course if we want to push higher, if we break this trend line and push higher, we're going to the 15, possibly the 4H as well. All right, and oof, I didn't see Nasdaq. Was anyone looking at Nasdaq, you guys? DAX as well. Everything is still playing out. Okay, let's have a couple of trade recaps. Okay, 40 pips on Nasty, 42 on DAX, beautiful. 73 on the US 30. I like it. Okay, great day. It's lovely. These markets are going to treat us really well all the way up until the end of November. So you guys wanna definitely capitalize on that, and this is your best time to actually learn and to possibly make some money off of these markets as well. Okay, you guys, and listen, like I keep saying, all right, I mean it when I say this. We're working tirelessly, relentlessly to build this business for y'all. We're working round the clock, literally, because we're all over the world, to produce these streams for you guys. We've been doing this for free pretty much every single trading day for a year, guys. We're also only human, and yes, we have ups and downs as well, but we still always show up for you guys, and we always come through for y'all. Okay, please go ahead and post up on success stories. If you made $1, $100, $1,000, 10,000, or if you even were trading a paper account, or even as long as you just picked up something on this session, you got some value out of it, I think that deserves a success story. Okay, go ahead, post up, and for the one-on-ones, like I said, extremely limited. Message up on the general chat, we'll send you the information, and you guys can tell us how and when you'll want to join it. But please do not waste our time. Have the courtesy to reply. Nobody forces you all to take it. It's up to you guys. We understand. For some people it might be out of their budget. No questions asked, naturally, but just reply to us and let us know that you know, it's not my thing right now, but I'll get back to it when I can, and I will pass that slot on to the next person. If y'all keep us hanging, it's a waste of time for us and for the next person. All right, because we have serious buyers for this plan every single day. All right, we have 180 people so far, and this is growing. Okay, so let us know. Please do not waste our time. Thank you all so much. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Let me see if there are any messages. Okay. Thank you, Krabby Cash. You're most welcome. Love you, bro. Awesome, Royal Sahu. Love you too, bro. Parv, what do I drive? That's for me to know and you guys to find out. Alright, on that note, I'm gonna end it. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. I will talk with you guys tomorrow. Okay? I'm Mark, aka Kram FX. My partner is Cash and Millzone, and we are Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys. Take it easy. See you all tomorrow. Bye.